Today we are going to solve this numerical. A body of mass 2 kg is dropped from a rest position 5 meters above the ground. What is its velocity at height of 3.0 meter above the ground? So let's consider this is a 2 kg which is at a height of 5 meter above the ground. When this object is released from a rest position, it will continue its free falling toward the ground, and when this object reaches to 3 meters above the ground, at this point we will calculate its velocity. Now during this free falling, it will travel a distance or displacement of 2 meters. We know that 5 meters minus 3 meters, so the total distance it will travel during this journey will be 2 meters. So you need to keep this in mind. Now the mass is given. Actually we do not need mass during the free fall. The velocity and acceleration is independent of the mass of the body. So we need the initial position is 5 meters, and we have calculated the distance it will travel during this journey is 2 meters. When it travels 2 meter distance, then we will calculate its velocity. So the height is 5 meters. We are calculating this velocity. Now the solution is very simple. According to third equation of motion, we know that 2as is equal to vf square minus vi square. And the initial velocity, initially the body is at rest. So when this is at rest, which means its initial velocity is equal to 0, now this whole term will drop, because after substituting the value for this vi is equal to 0, we will get vf square is equal to 2as. Now, and then taking under root on both the sides, we will get Vf is equal to under root 2as. This same equation can also be derived from another method, which is the change in kinetic energy is equal to change in potential energy. And now we will have 1 over 2 m del v square is equal to mgh. This m from this side will cancel out with this m, and we will have v square is equal to 2gh. V is equal to under root 2gh. So we have final velocity is equal to under root 2as. After substituting the values, we know 2 is 2, acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, and this s, you must keep this in mind that we are doing calculation 3 meter above, so the distance it travels it will be 2 meter. When it covers 2 meter distance, then we are doing our calculation, so we will get the value of s is equal to 2. Now we will have under root 39.2, and taking square root we will get 6.261 meter per second, and this is the required answer. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.